What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at 76 cents, down 5.6 on the day. Sitting at market cap of 6.6 billion. 24-hour volume sitting at 440 million. So let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So this is the bullish count that I didn't think was likely, but of course I'm going to show it to you guys no matter what. So what we were looking at was a wave 4 pullback, still looking to complete a wave 5, but as you can see right here, we had a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2, looking for a wave 3. So this would have been your wave 1 of the wave 3. We came down and we broke this low, and we even came down and broke this level of support. So this wave count is now invalid, which is what I thought was the probable scenario, and we basically no longer need to look at it. The only bullish wave count that remains is that this was a 5-wave impulse completing a wave 1. And now we're putting in a wave 2 pullback to bring you down in between 41 and 57 cents, which I also don't think is likely, but it is possible. I do think that this is a wave 4 pullback, and now we're putting in a 5-wave move to come down and break this low and quite possibly come down to about 18 to about 28, 25, 28 cents to put in a potential bottom for Matic. And if we zoom in here, obviously we have broken lower, so we have to change our sub wave count. But what I'm looking at is we've come down in a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback, and we're now coming down in a 3. Now before we were looking at a potential 5-wave move complete, but as you can see here, we've broken down further. So what we could potentially look at is a wave 1 right here. Here is your wave 2, and this is a wave 3, wave 4, potentially looking for a wave 5, because if we take a trend-based fib extension from the top of wave 1 to the bottom to the top of wave 2, you're looking for a 1.618, and we absolutely nailed it at 72 cents for a wave 3. So if we do see continuation down and we break this low, what we're looking at is putting in a wave 5, and that will be your wave 1 of the wave 3. So we've come down in a wave 1. We're looking for a wave, I'll make this smaller here. We're looking for a wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete the wave 3. So I have to make this smaller. So we're going to bring this down here to sub micro, and we're going to increase the size of this one here to micro. So if we zoom out, we're looking at a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, and now we're coming down in a wave 3. And as you can see right here, if we do come down and create a lower low and then put in a wave 2 pullback, we'd have to do some measurements here. Because this would be a little bit inaccurate. We'd have to measure the wave 5, but most likely once I do the measurements, once we see a little bit more price action, this 5-wave move is going to line up with the target of this wave 3. So there's more confluence of coming down to that level, that wave 3 target. If you take a trend-based fib extension from the top of wave 1 to the bottom to the top of wave 2, that wave 3 target is down at about 45 cents. So we'll drop in a little box here for a potential wave 3, and we'll zoom out and see where we're at here with about 45 cents. So you can see 45 cents does line up with the level of support here, where we could potentially bounce into a wave 4, and then that wave 5 would break this low and you'd come lower. Of course, a wave 3 can be extended and come much deeper. So we'll have to wait and see how this price action plays out. But what I'm potentially looking at here is that we've come down to 1, 2, 3, and we're now putting in a wave 4 pullback. To measure the wave 4, take your fib retracement here from the top of wave 2 to the bottom of, from the top of wave 2 to the bottom of wave 3, and you're looking for a retracement in between the 0.236 at 0.759 where we've currently hit, and the 0.5 at 79 cents, which is a maximum retracement, 0.798. If we do break that, then we have to look at a 5-wave move already being complete and looking for that wave 2 pullback. But if we simply get rejected here, we create a lower low, then we're putting in a wave 5, completing a wave 1, looking for a wave 2. All right, guys, remember that this is my opinion and not financial advice. It looks like we're creating a little bit of a head and shoulders as well for Matic. And I do think we will come down and create a lower low, as I'm looking at a wave 4 pullback and one more wave down. But the bullish scenario here, the only one that remains in my opinion, is that all of this was some sort of 5-wave move, and now we're coming down in a wave 2 and an ABC correction. where we've come down in a wave A. This is a wave B, which is a 3-wave move, and then you're looking for a 5-wave move C to put in a wave 2 and then shoot up in a wave 3, which would suggest the bottom is in for Matic. I don't think it's probable, as I'm looking at about 11 to 13K for BTC, but anything is possible in the crypto space. For this one, we have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto in the Discord. It's $10 a month. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Recently locked in some juicy profits on a Bitcoin short. I can't open it up right now because I have given another signal here, but it's $10 a month. If you want to trade with me, check out my full-length tutorial on Bybit. That's where I do all my trading, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, much love. Take care.